A 12-year-old Annapolis girl gave detectives enough information about an attacker this morning. Police now have a man in custody. Cordell Salisbury doesn't have a history as a sex offender, but he's accused of trying to touch that young girl during the weekend. She says he offered her a ride Saturday, then exposed himself to her and tried attacking her. The 12-year-old made a break for it, jumping from the car and running away before calling police.
Sounds like she did an amazing job of taking care of herself. So the sad point is to ever have to have a child, or anyone have to experience something like that.
We're told that girl had never seen Salisbury before Saturday. He's currently being held in jail. The next step will be a bail review hearing.